Hi, I'm just me.
And I'm Ralgash.
And we are here with May's Tokyo Treat.
Yay!
Dun 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 dun.
It is, of course, the super huge premium box that is even bigger now. And pricing in the description, eat food narm. Okay.
You know what I just noticed?
What?
There's no whale killing stuff on it.
No, there never is. Tokyo Treat doesn't kill whales. Some people may not actually know that reference. Because I don't think the people that watch our videos like this watch our videos like that. Maybe you do. Have we already asked this? Do you also watch our horror block unboxings? Because that was a reference to that. They come wrapped in plastic now, and plastic gets in the ocean and it kills whales. So, whale killer. No whale killer.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Hooray! So this is the pamphlet that comes in every Tokyo Treat. Tells you what issue it is. This one opens the same way as the last time. Okay, if you didn't see the video I'm going to link here somewhere. If you didn't see that, then you won't know that the Tokyo Treat pamphlets used to open the Japanese way. But now they open the Western way. And it's just interesting. Not that I feel any way about it, just that it's an interesting fact. So that is a list of all the things that come in the premium box. The top row is the stuff that comes in the small box. The regular box has stuff in the top row and the second row, and the premium has everything on those 2 pages, and we have the premium. And I'm gonna stop talking, and
Wow, the writing's really tiny.
yeah, that's one problem that... Oh, hey, it's this.
The gashi pack.
This is the
bag.
gashi
So,
bag.
the gashi bag. Enjoy the combination of 4 random dagashi snacks and 1 umaibo that may be included in your box every month. What snacks did you get this month?
So I guess they have their whale killer on the inside.
Yeah.
So this is a special pack that everybody gets now. I'm not entirely sure what Dayashi is. I think it's like dollar store snack or cheap snack or something. Not a clue. Savory snack, but then sometimes there's chocolate though. And this is the, whatchamacallit?
Umaibo.
This is a tube of corn snack.
It's delicious.
This one is shrimp? Lobster? Lobshrimp?
See?
Larim.
Oh, I'm not gonna chance that.
Okay.
Aw, it sucks. I love these things.
This smaller package doesn't have individual descriptions of everything that's in it, which I don't really love. I kind of wish that they would just take this stuff and make it like part of this, have the description and everything, rather than just a random extra bit. Well then. So yeah, this is tube of corn snack. I don't really want to taste it right now. They're not my favorite thing in the world. Comment, shrimp or lobster? So, what do you want to try next then? So next we have these vegetable crackers, I think is what this is. I guess we'll find it.
Oh,
my God, they're so
cute.
Oh, look at how tiny.
so little. The little speckles on it too.
It's a mildly seasoned cracker.
I think it's delicious.
It's alright. I think with some dip, that would be great. This is a lollipop candy.
Is it?
It is. Feels like it's a lollipop candy on a spring. I don't think we should open this because there's definitely only one of them in here.
Yeah, so never mind.
But it's this. Isn't this fun? Oh, this one's so much fun. We're gonna do this one next?
Yeah.
7 sticks. I think we've had something like this before. If not this exact thing. Chocolate wafer.
It smells really good.
Chocolate and wafer.
Delicious.
It's alright. It's like an ice cream cone wafer.
I think it's delicious. Chili beans. Try beans.
I think these are puffed peas. Like beans. Oh my. They're puffed and they're covered in something, I think. I wonder if it's wasabi.
Oh, it looks like a wax bean.
Yeah. Puffed bean.
Ah.
I like it.
Very good.
It's like salted.
Perfectly salted. Oh, it looks like noodles. Olive and salt. That's an interesting combination.
Baby Star, Panman, olive and salt flavor. Baby Star, but I got new glasses and I'm not entirely sure where my focal point is anymore, so bear with me here. Baby Star released a new line of noodle snack made with bread dough. Enjoy the combination of olive and salt flavor with a new crispy texture that'll have you coming back for seconds.
So you could pick up Baby Star, the dried noodle, in a package and eat it by hand, anytime, anywhere.
Narm, narm. Oh yeah.
Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, this ought to be interesting.
Oh my.
Cool.
These are so good. They smell like Mr. Noodle.
Those are good too. They're a nice light snack for when like you're sitting in front of the TV watching a movie or something. A little quick TV show.
It tastes like a beef Mr. Noodles to me.
It's good.
It is good, but why does it taste like a beef Mr. Noodles? Olive and salt. Beef Mr. Noodles.
It's a good flavor.
That is messed up. In a good way.
Yeah, it's
It's
delicious.
so messed up.
Well done.
Pocky.
Pocky mild cocoa. Huh.
I'm kind of sad that you can't see the Pocky wall anymore. We need to do like a studio tour. If you want a studio tour, comment and let us know. Yeah. Which was the problem? Are they stuck together?
I think so.
Okay, hang on. Oh yes, they are. My goodness. We have this problem sometimes. They get kind of,
It happens.
you know, squooshed. One of these is loose. Is it this one? Here you go.
Ah, right on. Oh, right. It doesn't look too damaged either. There we go. That's what they're supposed to look like. There we go. Not bad.
It's like a chocolate glazed donut, but crunchy. Oh, that's pretty good.
Yep.
KitKat.
Ooh, this looks good.
KitKat baked butter cookie flavor.
Oh.
These KitKats can be enjoyed in 2 different ways. Eat them as is, or bake them in an oven for 2 minutes. I do not think we are going to bake them.
No. No.
Snack contains 0.17% alcohol. Ooh.
It must get hot or something on the plane or when they're sending it. Stuff like this can happen.
Yeah, it gets all stuck together.
Yeah. There's mine.
That's good. That's really buttery and creamy and yummy. It was good. It was like crunchy, flaky, wafery pastry on the inside.
Oh, it was delicious.
It was really good.
Yeah. I recommend it. That gets 2 thumbs up from me.
Oh my.
Ah! Melon Pan mini cookies. The classic Japanese sweet bun, Melon Pan, can now be enjoyed in a cookie form. What the heck is Melon Pan?
It's the thing that the squishy is.
Ah.
Somebody out there understood what I just said. It's just a big old loaf of bread. It looks like this, but bigger and real bread. So it's like a sugar cookie.
It smells like baked bread.
It's very lightly melon. It's really good. It's denser than a sugar cookie, but the same kind of feel.
It's delicious. Oh, another KitKat.
Hooray! Japan has like a bazillion KitKats. Like a million flavors.
Yeah, but you know, the people in Japan are very trendy people, so like, I mean, I could see that. It works out perfectly.
KitKat Winter Edition. Comes in both milk and white chocolate, bits of dried cranberries and almonds on top.
Oh, there's 2 different flavors.
One of each. So, which one do you want to start with?
I want to start with the pink package, or is that purple? I can't
Package
really
that
tell.
is not the white one.
Yeah. It's either pink or purple, I can't really tell.
Cranberries and almonds on top.
Oh. See that? A little melty, but you know.
It's white chocolate. The almonds and the wafer really go well with the cranberry. Like it's was really good. Should we try this one?
Yep. So we're now on to the white package.
And this one will be milk chocolate.
Yeah. Oh, that looks good. See?
I like the almonds and cranberries better with the milk chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
It was really good.
Yeah, that was really good too, but I like the white one better.
Oh my goodness.
What'd you find?
I don't know, but it's pretty heavy.
Raruku no Satu Yokan. This month we bring you one of the most traditional of wagashi snacks. Yokan is a thick jelly snack made of red bean paste, sugar, and agar.
So we're going to put this aside.
Yeah.
And when we're finished everything else, we're going to cut some of this off. Someplace where it can ooze. And then we'll taste this after.
Yeah.
I'm kind of looking forward to that though.
Yeah, that looks delicious. Red bean. Oh, I like red bean. Remember that red bean soup?
Yes.
Oh, I'd like to have that again.
Me too.
Yeah. Okay.
That is our D.I.Y. Is a Hanakappa D.I.Y. gummy. I hate the D.I.Y. gummy.
Yeah, but at least it don't taste as bad as the Yummy Nummy gummies.
Oh god.
Remember those? Tasted like chemicals.
Why would you remember?
Tasted like pool chemicals.
The premium boxes come with a D.I.Y. kit and also a beverage. We do the kit and taste the beverage in a separate episode, so subscribe and hit the little bell and watch us do that.
Oops.
I only saw this one. It's cute!
Oh, the little seal. Where is it? Oh, shake, shake, yogurty fruit gummies. tasty fruit gummies you can enjoy 2 different ways. Try the orange, pineapple, and apple gummies on their own, or shake them up with the yogurt powder included in the package for a delightful yogurty treat.
What were those flavors?
Orange, pineapple, apple.
Pineapple and apple. I will risk neither of those.
And then there's this package.
Yes, that would be the powdery coating. So I suggest you try one of each gummy, and then you put the powder in the thing and shake it up and try one of each gummy.
See? Pineapple, I think.
Okay, I'm going to plug the camera while you chew.
Apple. Ooh, those are sweet. Okay, so I just tried the apple one, and I thought that was too sweet. It actually made me wince. Now for the orange one, that'll be a more citrusy kind of flavor, so... Okay. So now put the powder on. Wow, these are really sweet.
I'm going to go and get a plate and a knife for that thing while you do that.
Okay.
And I will also be jealous.
Okay.
Does the yogurt powder make it better? Does it make it worse?
Doesn't really do much of anything. Oh, it's still too sweet, and Sulu is doing to me. Oh, I wouldn't buy that. Like, it's not bad. Like, I mean, if you're a kid and you like sweet things and that'd be wonderful. It has a face.
Doraemon chocolate snack. Chocolate corn snack. That we could freeze if we wanted to, apparently.
Oh, it's got a little puzzle on the back, too. It's got little faces and images on the bag, too. I'd like to see what this Doraemon cartoon is. Yeah, there we go. Delicious.
They're like slightly softer, chocolate-coated corn pops. Aww, make me more sad.
Kiwi? What?
Can't usually have kiwi. Do I risk it? Don't react as violently as I do with apple.
Too bad we can't read Japanese and wouldn't be able to tell if it's kiwi
Yeah.
flavoring or if it's real kiwi juice. Or
And the kanji for artificial flavorings.
see. It's very soft. Smells good too.
Alright, I'm risking it. Dial 9-1. It's very sour.
Mm-hmm.
And very gummy.
It's good. Yep. That's a good gummy. I like it.
I'm pretty sure this is made with real kiwi.
Yeah.
My stomach says this was made with real kiwi. I regret nothing.
It tasted good though, eh?
It did taste good.
Ooh, I love these.
Ooh,
I
it's
love
a
these.
Tai Yaki Chocolate Monaka. Taiyakis are fish-shaped traditional Japanese pancakes, usually filled with sweet red bean paste. This time, it is a wafer with milk chocolate.
Shall we?
Yeah. Ooh, I brought down a knife, so maybe we might be able to cut it equally this time rather than just shattering it everywhere.
Yes.
So should I try it this way or just this?
Whatever way is easiest.
Oh, that's no fun. Let's try it this way. Okay, you want the piece that came off in one piece or the other piece?
Sure. That's what it looks like on the inside, which looks drastically different from the picture. Because in the picture it looks like it's full of chocolate.
Yeah.
Right?
That's cheap.
Yeah.
Tastes like wafer. The little tiny bit of chocolate that is in it is really good.
Yeah. It is. It's delicious.
But that was totally cheap.
Yeah.
The small thing.
Ooh. Calimero, a mobile phone strap. It can only be purchased in specific souvenir stores in Japan. So there's 4 different ones apparently.
We got the one in the little red car. With the pretty orange beads. Front. I wish I had a phone that I could attach this to. But my stupid BS phone has the headphone jack at the bottom. So anything I try to put on, it just falls right out.
Yeah.
Huh, I wonder if that's intentional. It was in a bit of an accident.
Is it supposed to look like that?
I don't know, is it?
I don't see that in the picture.
Uh-oh. Poor little guy.
Yeah, the guy in the picture, his car looks perfectly fine.
Poor little ducky thing. So that's our shelf item.
Let me see him. Yeah, it's broken. Oh well. There's this weird square thing.
the beverage.
Nothing left.
Nectar Peach and Cherry Blossom Juice. Limited edition. Drink uses white peach extract from cherry blossom. Uses white peach and extract from cherry blossom flowers.
Since 1964.
Refrigerate and shake well before drinking.
It looks delicious.
Like we said earlier, we do that and the DIY in a separate episode. Subscribe, hit the little bell button, all that jazz. So that's all. That's it. That's everything.
Yep. All gone.
Oh.
What?
The rest of his windshield.
Oh.
Hooray!
Hey, maybe you can put a little bit of glue on and stick them back up on there. Yep. Oh, I see. So you grab this little tab on the back. See? Oh, there we go.
Do you want to do it or should I?
Go ahead. Looks like jelly, eh?
Mm-hmm. That's good. It's really soft and melty. And it's like earthy but sweet. I love red bean.
Yeah, me too. So that was delicious.
It was delicious.
That was very delicious. I always love coming over here and eating all Just Me's food.
No.
Yeah, no.
So this happened.
Like this if you like this.
Comment.
Subscribe for new videos, Mondays and Fridays.
Hit the little bell button so you can watch us do the drink and the DIY kit.
And share so more people can know about this and see the shenanigans that we get up to.
Love that word, shenanigans. And join us next time when something else happens. I got a sneaking suspicion it's going to be hilarious.
Yeah.
Maybe not, though. I don't know. I tend to overestimate how funny we are.
So tune in next time when we're doing something else.
Definitely something. Bye.
Ooh,
How did that even happen?
what'd you do? Oh.
Oh. Darn you, science. Forged it again.
Physics!
Fuck you, physics.